We professional for outdoor furniture. Our factory located in Zhejiang Province, with more than 40,000 square meter workshop. We purchase the steel tube from the local largest tube supplier instead of the North cheap tube. Every year we invest a large amount of money to upgrade and develop our production machine, equipment, mold and technological. We produce the plastic components and tube powder spray by ourselves. We do the phosphating to make sure the tube not to be rust. We have 2 assembling production line with high daily output. Our fabrics appear from Yadi, which is one of the largest fabric supplier in China. It guarantees the fabric can be used for longer years. We sew the fabric strictly at least 6 needle and 1 inch to avoid easily broken. Our company adheres to the principle of quality is our life. With more than 150 skilled workers, over 2/3 of our workers have 2 to 5 years plentiful working experience. 95% of our products export to West Europe, Russia, and USA. We cooperate well with JD Sport, Go Outdoors, Walmart, COSTCO, ALDI, French Auchan, KMart, Coca Cola and other international brands. We has passed the Coca Cola audit, BSCI audit, WCA audit, and our products have the SGS, TUV, ITS, BV and other relevant testing certificates. With us your money is safe, your business is safe. Trust you will love our quality and our services. We have strong merchandisers and after-sales teams to ensure that we can provide all new and old customers with 100% good quality products and 5-star quality services. We can solve your communication and transportation issue in China. What's more, we can provide you with a reassuring quality inspection and thoughtful translation work if you need. We are professional for outdoor products, camping chairs, hiking chairs, picnic chairs, camping cot, egg hanging chairs, swing hanging chairs, camping bed, gazebo, garden umbrella and picnic basket, etc. We trust our quality will give you an edge over your competitors and help you to be number 1 in your market. Give us a chance to be your trustworthy supplier in China.